How to cancel your Amazon Prime membership. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Firstly, you need to open up your Amazon Prime or tap open your Amazon application. If not, launch a preferred browser and search for Amazon. Tap on Amazon.com. You will be redirected to the official homepage of your Amazon. From here, you can adjust your Prime membership as well. Once you are logged in at the very top, you need to tap on the user icon. From here, scroll down until you see the option of membership and subscription. You can tap on your Prime membership. Here you'll be able to update or cancel your membership as well. However, it will depend upon the application version as well. For that, select on your membership and subscription. In here, you will see a button that you have to press, which is Prime Membership Settings. In here, you'll be able to update or cancel your membership as well. From here, under Prime Payment Settings, you have to find out End Membership and Benefit. Tap on it and follow the prompt and instruction provided to you. And that is how you'll be able to cancel your Amazon Prime membership. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.